Wow. Bottle silencer. So the reason for me to buy this short bottle silencer is one is it has two filters and there won't be any sound pollution. It just makes my bullet sound like a bullet. And the second thing is mileage drop. Mileage doesn't drop that much, only 1 kilometer or maybe 1.5. That's it. Depends upon how you ride. If you start revving and all that, then the mileage drop will be more. Yeah, it's the same on this silencer also. Anyways, it's heavy because it has two filters inside, so it won't be damaging my engine as much as the free flow silencers do. That's what I believe. Anyways, let's get started. See, you can see it. It's all brand new. Let me open it and show the silencer to you. So guys, can you see this? I haven't, changed the silencer before. This is the first time. So yeah. So before changing, I would like to tell you there would be another thing which you would be requiring, which is this thing. It's a gasket. So you have to insert in here and fix it to the this thing exhaust pipe. Otherwise, it will be loose and will be shaking. So the gasket is a must. When you want to change the exhaust. Anyways, let's get started. So guys, coming to the cost factor, this is very cheap. I just got it for 900 rupees. And you can see I bought it in Chennai, that's why I got it for cheap price. Can you see this? So guys, here's the bike. So I'll tell you what to do. Okay, wait, let me get the camera a little bit closer to the silencer. Yeah. So we have to remove this nut and there'll be a nut underneath. Can you see this? This one. So when you remove these two, the silencer comes off. So let's remove those two and fix the other silencer. So guys, again we won't be using any other extra tool. We'll be using the spare tools alone. So let's get started. So I removed the down screw, this one. Now I'm removing the second one. Okay, so that's also done. Oh, washer fell down. Wow, such a thick washer. Now let's see if the silencer comes off. Okay, they have given another support for this, which is this one. So I have to remove this footrest ka bolt on the other side. So let's remove that. So guys, use this 17 number spanner and loosen this footrest. I mean, not loosen, just take out the bolt on the other side. Now this will come out. So yeah, now it's time to remove the silencer. Okay, oh my god, this is pretty heavy. So guys, now we have removed the silencer. Now let's see how my babe sounds without the silencer. Are you guys ready? Okay. Wow. I wish I... Okay, now let's fix the short bottle silencer and see how the sound is. And guys, don't forget the gasket. So you have to just insert it in. So we have to remove this brake nut here. Let me show it to you close. Can you see this? We have to remove this. Because can you see this thing? It goes in there. So let's remove that and put all the nuts back and tighten it. Okay, you just push it gently. Okay, now put the washer. So once these two nuts are tightened, I mean the footrest nut and the brake pedal nut, so we have to insert the nut which we took out from the silencer. You just put it underneath this and tighten it. That's it. So once you're done with that, you can just ride your bike. So guys, now everything is done. Now let's start the engine and see how it feels to ride. Oh. Okay, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Trapping out the bandos.